Hey everyone, is Discord banned in Turkey right now? Maybe you're trying to open the app but it won't load or the website is completely down. This usually happens during certain political events or times of unrest when the government temporarily blocks platforms like Discord, Twitter, and others. In this video, I'll show you how to unban Discord in Turkey using a fast and safe method that works 100%. Make sure to check the link in the description to get NordVPN, the tool I personally use to bypass restrictions and access blocked apps like Discord. Let's quickly talk about why this happens. Discord isn't banned permanently in Turkey, but it has been blocked temporarily during protests or national events. When this happens, it's a government-level restriction, not a ban on your individual account. You'll notice Discord won't open at all, website times out or doesn't load, voice chat and messages don't work. The only way around this is to make it look like you're browsing from a different country, and that's where a VPN comes in. A VPN, virtual private network, helps by changing your IP address so it looks like you're outside Turkey, encrypting your internet traffic so your ISP and government can't block Discord, giving you full access to Discord's features, text, voice, video, screen sharing, and more. But not all VPNs work. Many free VPNs are blocked in Turkey, slow, or leak your data. That's why I recommend NordVPN. It has obfuscated servers built to bypass censorship. It's fast enough for gaming and voice chat. Comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Here's how to set it up in just a few minutes. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose your plan and create an account. Step 3. Download and install NordVPN on your device: PC, Mac, Android, iPhone. Step 4. Open the app and go to Settings, Auto Connect. Enable obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server in a safe country, like Germany, the Netherlands, or the US. Step 6. Now open Discord. You should have full access again. If Discord still doesn't connect, try this. Switch to another NordVPN server. Restart the Discord app or your device. Clear Discord cache. Try changing your VPN protocol, Nord links, or OpenVPN TCP. These small tweaks usually fix any leftover issues. And that's how you unban Discord in Turkey using NordVPN. Change your IP, encrypt your traffic, and unlock full access to Discord. Use the link in the description to get a discount and try NordVPN with their 30-day guarantee. Got questions? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Like this video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more working Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.